Well, I saw someone writing about it on LinkedIn actually, and then I knew some of the speakers, and I thought for us it's interesting to meet other people who label products and who work with raw materials and brand holders. I would say that this morning, Friday morning, with all the labeling discussions is very interesting for us because we do almost the same work. We have an allergenic point of view, but it's interesting to hear about us. What are the downsides, the upsides, what should we be aware of? So I would say actually all the presentations this morning. I think it's interesting to be here to meet people from all over Europe. I've met some people today that I wouldn't have met otherwise, and they're actually quite interesting for us business-wise. I think it's good that there's someone who organizes something where you can come and discuss, and even though there are disagreements, it's actually good because we need to do that to get smarter. So I think that's good.